Nucleophilic addition reaction. First one, addition of HCl. Addition of HCl. Carbonyl group HCl, like HCl type. HCl is like HCl type. So here H plus Cn minus. Obviously, this nucleophile will attack at carbon. Then pi bond going to oxygen. So hydrogen के पास with oxygen, hydrogen is there. Here cyanide will be there. Then if you do the hydrolysis, the cyanide, it becomes carboxylic acid. The cyanide becomes carboxylic acid. See the cyanide function will be like this: C triple bond N. Okay, while you're doing hydrolysis, the bonds will break up. One bond will break up, hydrogen OH. दूसरा hydrogen OH. तीसरा hydrogen OH. So it becomes NH3. Here 3 OH groups are there. Out of 3 OH groups, from 2 OH groups, one water molecule is released. OH and H. Then C double bond OOH. That means carboxylic acid is forming. Okay, you can write it clearly. 3 times HOH, HOH like that. COOH. Here it is OH. Carboxylic acid by hydrolysis. Suppose if you do the partial hydrolysis, partial H3O plus, ये बनेगा amide OH, C double bond O and H2. This amide only again, if you do the hydrolysis, again if you take H3O plus carboxylic acid. Then if you take hydrogen and nickel, it is a reducing agent. The cyanide C triple bond N is there, it becomes amine. Okay, here this name is cyanohydrin. Okay, the sub reactions, if you do the hydrolysis, carboxylic acid, partially hydrolysis, amide, then reduction, amine. Next, addition of sodium bisulfite. Addition of NaHSO3, sodium bisulfite. Sodium bisulfite. Here, what we can expect? First, initially we will expect that Na plus is there, HSO4, 3 minus होगा. ठीक है, we will write it. O minus, obviously here Na plus, here SO3H. SO3H is the acid. but it is alkoxide. Alkoxide is the base. Acid मतलब क्या करते हैं? Acid means it is donating H plus. So immediately it is donating H plus and forming here O minus के पास hydrogen. This hydrogen shifting to there. Alcohol here SO3 minus Na. Understood why the hydrogen shifted? Because it is strong acid. Sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid. Okay. Then if you do the hydrolysis again, you will get it. If you do the hydrolysis, this compound H3O plus, you are getting back same compound. It is the crystalline solid. Crystalline solid. So we can separate. We can separate carbonyl compounds from the mixture, from the other functional groups, from the other functional groups, from the other functional groups. So aldehyde के साथ suppose कोई acetic acid जैसा कोई compound है, then the sodium bisulfite reacting with only aldehyde and ketones, it is getting settled down. Then the compound we are making it separate, then we are doing hydrolysis, we will get it back. So finally this reaction we can use for separation. Okay, as well this reaction is used to confirm the functional group. Okay, you can write one statement. This reaction used to confirm carbonyl functional group. Carbonyl functional group of aldehyde and ketones. Of aldehyde and ketones. Next, reaction with ammonia derivatives. Reaction with ammonia derivatives. If you see in the NCERT textbook, they given you one table. Around 10 compounds are there. Okay, reaction is only one reaction, but they given the 10 because all are same type of reactions. Same type of reactions. General reaction I am writing. Carbonyl group is there. Plus here NH2. Here whatever some Z group is there. Z group. Then the product is like this. N. Here it is Z. Whatever Z kuch bhi. Very simple reaction. Just what it is, removing the water molecule. With aldehyde and ketones, one side and other side, any amine groups are there. Just you remove the water molecule. That is the product. Okay, right here the Z, it may be Z equal हो सकता है OH group, the Z it may be NH2 group amine. देखो, if Z equal to OH is there, that means NH2OH. ओके, इसका नाम होता है हाइड्रोक्सिल अमाइन. हाइड्रोक्सिल अमाइन. Hydroxyl amine. Then if NH2 is there, that means NH2 NH2. It is a hydrazine. In the named reaction it came. Again it will come in this chapter. Hydrazine. This hydrazine is forming into hydrazone. Hydrazone. Right? Then NH in one place of hydrogen हो सकता है maybe phenyl. That means PH NH NH2 phenylhydrazine. Phenylhydrazine. Similarly, in the product, phenylhydrazone is forming. Hydrazine is forming hydrazone. Okay. Next. NH. इधर NH2 था. Then benzene ring. 2, 4th position NO2 groups. 2, 4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. 2, 4 DNP. Short name is 2,4-DNP. Okay. If you write full name 2, 4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. Hydrazine. Similarly, it is forming hydrazone. Hydrazine is forming into hydrazone.
In these reactions, just you need to remove water molecule, carbonyl oxygen and NH2 hydrogens, removing water molecules, and names are important here. Amines forming imine, hydrazine forming hydrazone, hydroxylamine is forming oximes. Okay, semicarbazide is very important question. NH2 NH hydrogens are involving in this reaction. Thank you.